So, good morning, class. How are you this morning? Yeah, that's good. So, before we start our class today, let's we pray together. Pray, begin. Amen. So, I would like to check the attendance first. Is anyone absent today? No? That's good. I really appreciate that you all can join in this class today. Keep it, okay? Okay, good. Okay, class. The material today we will learn about descriptive text. I think you all have familiar, right, with this kind of this text. So can anyone give the explanation what is descriptive text? You? I still confused to explain it. Okay, that's okay. We can no problem. We can now we learn together about descriptive text, right? Okay. So, what is descriptive text? Descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, place, animal, or plant or thing in detail. Yes, with their characteristic, with their features. You have to describe it with uh, until the small thing that they have done. And the purpose of this and the purpose of this kind of mistake is to give information about specific object by describing its features and also their characteristic. And now we will learn descriptive text to identify a place. Yes, place. Place is in Amis tourism. Can anyone mention? Yes, Karang Kamulian. So I want you all to see this picture. Have you been here to Karang Kamulian? Mm-hmm. Yeah, really, that's good. So, where is this place located? Chiamis, that's good. So, what can you see inside this forest? Monkeys, wild monkeys, yeah, that's so many monkeys right there. So, do you know, maybe you all know about the story about Yung Manado, right? Yeah, that's good. So, we will to identify this place with through descriptive text. But before that, let's we know first about descriptive text. In descriptive text, there are three structure. And there are two structure, I'm sorry. There are two structure. The first the identifications and the second is description. That is those that the structure of descriptive text. So what is the identification? Identification is introducing the object to be described, like who you want to describe people, like who you want to describe, and where or what or when we describe. So description is describing the parts, qualities, or characteristic of the object. And the language features that we use in descriptive text is present tense, adjectives, and specific objects. So the first is present tense. Present tense is a tense that we can use to talk about something happen regularly or we can tell about something facts or truth. But here we can use simple present too. And the using is are and to be is are am And the best verb yaitu verb one. So the adjectives we use like a historical, large, green, or sacred gitu, especially for um, karangkamulian gitu kan. And the specific object is focusing on one thing. Like we use karangkamulian to analyze descriptive text. So you can see identifications like Karang Kamulian is a historical and archaeological site in Ciamis, West Java. It is heritage of the ancient Galuh kingdom. And this is the introduce where and why and what the site is. Yes, the introduce of Karang Kamulian, that is the part of identification structure from descriptive text. That's good. So the second description, the site has many ancient stories such as Batu Pangcalikan. The area is very green and covered by a dense forest. There are many wild monkeys living there peacefully, and the atmosphere is quiet and cool. It is a sacred place for local people. So, as you know, description is at the stage that we start to describing the thing that we focus it. Gitu. Yes, like try to like tells about their characteristic. So what inside this place, what you can see, the describing in detail. That's right. That's good. So there are some useful adjectives that that there's in the text before. Like historical, the meaning is bersejarah, sacred, the meaning is keramat atau suci, and then ancient, the meaning is kuno atau purba, and shady is rindang. Example in sentences before, it is a historical kingdom. The forest is sacred place. Hutan adalah tempat yang keramat. That's right, that's good. So there's the local wisdom or nikis in Ciamis. That is the people of Ciamis believe in leweng larangan, or we can call forbidden forest, that we must keep the site clean and respect the wild animals there and preserve the ancient artifacts. That's good. We have to keep it right. Okay, so it's a material Zinab today. I want to check your understanding about the material that we learned today, that we learned before. Now we can play a game. So please you may open your phone mobile. I will allow you right now. Okay, then you have to scan this QR. You have to enter so that you can play a game while check your understanding about the material today. So the game is very fun, right? Yes, I really appreciate that you all really understand what we learned before. Good job, everyone. So the value of this material today that you all have to uh, keep, yeah, especially like this place Karangkamulian. That's right, that is, you have to preserve our culture and master the language by learning English. We can promote our beautiful local culture to the entire world. That's good. So sadly today it's running out the time, and see you next time, and thank you for your active participation today and see you in the next session. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.